Hi students, hello everyone. You all are very warmly welcome in our YouTube channel. Dear student, I have uploaded first poem and the exercise of this poem also. To get more videos on my channel, dear students, please subscribe it. Yes, and the press bell icon. Yes, even like it. Now, this is the second lesson of the unit 1. See, odd one in. What is the name of the lesson? Odd one in. Yes. See, the title is given here. What do you understand by this? What must be there in the lesson? Let's see. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Rima is there. She has gone to the school and mother is asking to her how was the first day of school. Understood? Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Rima told that okay, it was okay, the lesson was not taught, just it went for settling in. Any new girls in your class? Required her father, Mr. Sen. And Mr. Sen, he is the father of Rima. He inquired that is there any new girl in your class? Any new admission in your class? Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. And see, Rima told only one girl is there. She came in our class. Her name is Malti, and she is funny, and she started to eat salad. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. And her father told, why are you telling it like that? Why do you say that? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at the another end of the country. See, Rima is telling she cannot speak much English and she is came from the another state and she was taking the different states names from the country. Yes. Oh, children from that states are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. Mr. Sen, father of Rima, he told that, oh, the children, those they are from this country, yes, they are very much clever and especially they are goods in maths. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. But Rima is telling, yes, I'm agree with you. The students, those they are coming from that area are clever, but I didn't see any smartness in her. Only hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher, mickled Rima. Then Rima was having mimicry of her. She is telling only hair, bindi and all that she was explaining that Malti on her dining table. Her parents exchanged glance. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. Then she is telling her father, Malti's parents, they have exchanged glance. Rima was her parents exchanged glance. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at that time. They are talking here about Rima. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti. Now the parents already they have understood the situation of Rima, that Rima is doing something bad. Yes. So now parents started to explain to Rima that you should not do anything, you should not things too difficult for Malti. Mr. Sen as he rose from the table, and Mr. Sen he got up from the table. Rima and her gang decided to do just that. And same the thing, Rima and her friends they have decided to trouble the Malti. Yes. Next morning, that the minute Malti entered the class, they all caused good morning. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She became back at them and replied good morning. See, the students they have started making fun on her. Yes, but poor Malti, she did not understand the students of her class are making the fun. She came to them back and she replied that again good morning. See here you can see the picture. She is the Rima and she is the Malti. Rima and Malti. Yes. See, the two questions are given here. How did Rima decide whether or not Malti was smart? What is your opinion? See, how the Rima can tell that Malti is not no clever. Do Rima and her parents share the same attitude? How do we know that? See, Rima and her parents, do they have the same attitude? No, not at all. Yes, Rima's parents are very good than the Rima. Now the next is, see, guess what Malti was about to say when teacher entered. That we will see it later on. Just see. Shahnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Now Shahnaz, one of the girl in their class, she asked to the Malti, why do you put so much oil on your hair? Malti looked offended but did not reply. Malti looked at Shahnaz but she didn't reply to her anything. And the skirt so long, said Claire Catily. Another girl is there, Claire Catily. She told, your skirt is also so long. Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. See, Malti, when teacher entered, Malti was about to say something. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Now see, all the students they have said that Malti, she is not clever. She had came from another state, but all they were surprised. Why, dear students? They surprised because whenever teacher was asking question in the class, Malti used to raise her hand. Yes, Malti, you answered, said the teacher. And teacher was also getting response from Malti. Yes. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciations. And Malti was giving the correct answer in the class and teacher was also nodding in appreciation. Teacher was also appreciating to Malti. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said sounds like a clever girl. And when Rima got angry on Malti and she was telling in at her home, so Rima's mother told she is clever girl. What is this? What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. Then when mother told she is clever girl, Rima was arguing with her. What is the use of this cleverness? Her English is so poor. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. And Mr. Sen, her father, told, yes, it is also with you. Your Hindi is also so poor. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. And Mr. Sen, her father, understood that Rima's attitude is not good. Yes. Even Mr. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter, and Rima's parents understood that Rima is not behaving properly, and on that matter, they both have discussed. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. See, they are telling that we put Rima to a good school for what? To be, she should be a smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, Mr. Sen said Mr. Sen sadly. Mr. Sens told, "We have put her in a good school that she should become smart and confident, but I am getting afraid she is turning into a little snob. She is not behaving proper." The following Saturday was the inter house singing competition. And see, the coming Saturday there was an inter-house singing competition held in the school. Rima, who was participating in English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of the participants for the Hindi song category. See, uh, the singing competition was held, and she has seen all the English song category, and Malti's name was there in the list of Hindi song category. So they have started to make fun. Oily Plate sings also, she said uh, neatly to Claire. Yes, then they are telling this Oily Plates, she sings also. Crocs, you mean, giggled Claire. Now these friends, they are discussing with them. They were to be proved wrong. Yes, now see what Malti is performing. Now the friends, how they are wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well trained voice. See, when the competition was going on, Malti, she had, she sang very nicely, beautifully, and she has the melodious voice, and she is well trained in singing. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. See, Malti and Rima and her friend, they have decided that when Malti will sing, they will jeer. They will have something, bad comments on her song. But their plan was flop. When Malti started to sing, the silence was there in the hall, and they did not dare to do this. Yes, they they were sure to get caught, and if they would do this, they would get caught by the teacher. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. As soon as Malti finished her song, the principal got up and clapped for her, and all the teachers and students followed to principal. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. See, and Malti, the student Rima and her friends are thinking she is not good. She came from the another state, but she got the first prize in singing competition. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Even Rima also came first in English category, but she did not felt joy because Malti got first prize in Hindi category. Yes. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. And one term would go her, everyone understood Malti, she is very bright child in their class. She was quite studious and intelligent. And the Malti, she was quite girl in the class. She was studious. She was intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. And even she was good in the sports. She was good in the studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appreciations belied a sharp and nimble brain. See, she was good in the mathematics. Now her simple appreciations believed that sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, and some of the girls from their class, Rima's class, Malti's class, they have started to get help from the Malti. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. And when someone asked help to the Malti, she used to help the friends from the class. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning, and the teachers, those they were teaching to their class, they all liked Malti very much. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. Now, the girls from that class they have become the friends with Malti. Yes, wait. All the girls from the Maltese class they liked her, but not Rima and her friends. They dislike Malti. Yes, they were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could after the fact that she was not their type. And they all were stylish, and they used to tell that Malti she is not in their type. She is not stylish. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Now see, and they whenever they are getting the chance, they used to poke fun at her, and especially particularly her English. Malti felt bad about their behavior, and Malti she was understanding all the things. She was feeling very bad on their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. See, one day, no, Malti she got very much mm, feeling bad because Rima she mocked at her mercilessly because instead of calling ask, she called asks. Yes, her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak. And Malti, she began to cry. She told that, I know my English is weak, your is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? See, now Malti, she told, she was trembling, she was crying. She told, I know my English is weak, yes, but will you help me to improve my English? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with exaggerated accent and with very proudly Sirima replied that I will not help you. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. Then she is telling speaking English it is not an easy task. Yes, and for your type it is not easy. You can't speak English. Rima told to Malti. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. And Malti, she was very much upset. She wanted to reply her, but she was not having any words in English, so she began to cry and ran off. That was horrid, Rima, said Shahnaz. And Shahnaz told it is no horrid. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. And Neha and Claire also was agreed with her. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. And these friends also took side of Malti. And Rima was shocked that these her own friends they are against Malti. Yes, she walked off in a huff. Mr. Sen found her subordinate over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Mr. Sen, her father, understood but he decided should not ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. And see, Rima, she understood that she has behaved very rudely with Malti and she was too proud to admit it even to herself. This was the lesson. Here we have finished. In the next video, I am going to tell you the exercise of this lesson. Thank you.